Just now we are here.
Yeah.
This all mangrove.
Careful, you don't need.
Today is 4. Today and tomorrow is 4. Around 4 to 7 in the afternoon. And in the morning around 5 to 7.
Rubbish is about.
Yeah.
So we take a picture of this place with all the rubbish. Then he knows when he comes, this is what he's going to do for the future.
Because the rubbish not come from this side, but other side.
Other side, that's right.
This will be,
But what we want is, if possible, when the tide comes in, all the rubbish, right? We take photo, and we can give to the
Yes, regarding of what I have been look about the mangrove, especially mangrove in Bali, is really under care. It's a lot become like a slum area. So why we are must care to the mangrove, because they have very important for the establishment of the environment, to protect the beach from the abrasion. Also can manage the high tide wave, include the tsunami. And then a lot of the ecosystem and then eco life in the below of the water. Mangrove can support and clean the water. One, to clean the water with his root and clean the air with the leaf. I think we work together. Don't throw any of the oil and some like unenvironment thing come to the water, which the area have the mangrove growth. And then don't cut anything about mangrove. And then just like it naturally, and don't any poison thing come to the mangrove area. And then of course, we don't also to make something like burning or whatever, who can again the nature who affected of the mango natural growth. I think we're supporting by the local surrounding of local people, especially in Bali. They have a lot of local people from culture, from the security culture also, from the religion. We work together, and then also to employ people to protect and make it clean. This is the way how to helping the mangrove can grow safely. My favorite animal in the mangrove is just like favorite is crab, some mollusca, and birds. Some of the small size of the turtle, and some of maybe they also can survive of the crocodile. This is part of most important player in the mangrove. The Bali mangrove, because the position is direct in the middle of the activity of the people, like a city like this. So, and then the typical of the mangrove also not quite same with the tumbling mangrove. Bali mangrove is most important than tumbling mangrove actually. Why? Because they directly at the frontage of the beach, who direct to protect the beach from the any high wave and potential of tsunami. Because surrounding of the land after the mangrove have been grown is hundred or thousand of people have been staying there. In tumbling, the tumbling mangrove is they grow in the lake, and then some of the between lake and the sea. So the dangerous thing is more lower from the wave or high tide, and then not so many people stay surrounding in the tumbling mangrove. But the other important of the tumbling mangrove is they protect environmental to keep the animal can survive much better and survival more high. Mangrove can very useful because let's say I know it can clean the water. The root can clean the water and seawater. The leaf can also clean the weather. They can absorb the carbon. And then lot or maybe thousands of the typical of the underwater life like mollusca, crab, and everything can be survival. Who can balance the between the salt water and the normal water, can balancing. Yeah, and then also very useful to protect the beach from any of the abrasion. And then the root is very strong. This is not easy to break it out. So it can helping the natural of survival to maintain the beach. I think to visit the mangrove, even in anywhere, when I have chance, I always come to Overlook. Because in the mangrove, in afternoon, in early morning, there's a lot of animal, from birds until underwater, or mollusca, or like a lot of life, animal survival and life in the mangrove. Even in the evening, there is different of the animal will come in the morning and in the afternoon. So actually, for seeing of the mangrove forest is very nice and very interesting. Actually, regarding to pro of the environmental, I like it naturally from I was still kid and young. But seriously, I woke up of this is just 16 years ago. So why in my business, I never build up the business directly by my own hand, who again can the environment. And then after the 1997, I'm more keen and seriously to make a team of Antagra Foundation, especially how to protect the environmental and then a lot of protect of the animal, forest, wildlife, include the mangrove.
Sebelum saya mengukuhkan saudara menjadi forum peduli mangrove, saya ingin bertanya, apakah saudara siap nantinya menjadi bapak angkat dalam pelestarian mangrove Bali? Baik, untuk itu hari ini Selasa 30 April 2013, saudara dengan mengucapkan Om Oi Genam Mastu Namo Sidam kepada Panitia yang luasa, Tuhan Yang Maha Esa, saudara saya kukuhkan menjadi pengurus Forum Peduli Mangrove Bali.
Ibu-ibu, saya tidak akan banyak berbicara mengenai mangrove. Saya rasa bapak-bapak, ibu-ibu sekalian sudah lebih mengerti masalah mangrove. Sederhana saja, pada saat saya berbicara dengan para ahlinya, Pak, mohon maaf, kepedulian terhadap mangrove dapat dimulai daripada bagaimana kita melihat keadaan mangrove itu sendiri, karena banyak terkontaminasi, sehingga yang paling sederhana dapat kita lakukan adalah bersih-bersih terhadap mangrove itu, sehingga mangrove itu dapat hidup dengan sendirinya, dan tentunya kita akan merawat. Namun saya berbicara dengan kawan-kawan, kepedulian terhadap mangrove bukan hanya menjadi peran daripada pemerintah dan sebagian daripada kita, tentunya menjadi peran daripada semua masyarakat.
Halo, selamat siang. Saya Sri. Saya tinggal di sekitar Jimbaran. Hari ini saya berada di pantai Tanjung Benoa. Kita bisa bilang dari Desa Tengkulung. Jadi ini adalah acara yang sangat luar biasa ya, yang dimana kita sebagai warga Nusa Dua Jimbaran dan sekitarnya diajak untuk datang berduyun-duyun memperhatikan lingkungan kita, di mana yang kita harus lestarikan. Nah, di sini banyak sekali pohon-pohon mangrove bertebaran, tapi masih ada yang perlu kita awasi, kita lakukan sesuatu untuk pelestarian lingkungan di sekitarnya.
Mangrove adalah salah satu tipe hutan yang sangat spesifik karena dia hidup di daerah pasang surut di antara daratan dan di lautan. Di sini tumbuh berbagai jenis vegetasi khas yang ada di mangrove. Misalkan ada Bruguiera, ada Rhizopora, kemudian ada Avicennia, dan itu hanya bisa tumbuh di mangrove dan tidak bisa tumbuh di tempat lain. Mangrove juga merupakan tempat hidup dari berbagai jenis satwa seperti burung, ada ikan, kemudian kepiting, ular, beberapa biawak. Dengan adanya mangrove, mereka akan banyak mendapatkan tempat untuk bertelur, untuk cover, kemudian untuk membesarkan anaknya.
One of the mangrove species was Rhizopora species. It has very advanced reproduction system. As you see here, it has like a life capsule seedling. When it comes from the tree, it will top off the cap and it fell down and it's become like this. It always float above for the leaf side and also submerged for the root side.
Tumbling mangrove is part of the very important player because marine mangrove is put in the between seawater and the water from the lake, and to balance of the all ecosystem. And then some of the natural life become a eco balancing between other animal to survive one another. And then some the trees of mangrove also very useful for the other of the food supply for the nature and animal itself. I starting Arthrographon edition is from the 1990, but on this time we not formally and exposed too much. We just started expose Arthrographon edition in 1998. So because a lot of people let me know this is